Well, I can't even say it. Well, I'm talking like I'm from down south. Well, I just had an email asking me about my funnel system because I just uploaded a video, a chit chatting how I use a funnel to earn money in multiple businesses. Okay. So I'll make this video kind of short and sweet because it's all about you guys at the end of the day, just clicking a video and watching, getting information about it. How much is it? What can it do for me? Is there benefits? And if it sounds good, you can join. Great. And if it's something you're just not into, you can just go on your way. Okay. And that's the beauty of 2024. And in a couple of weeks, it'll be 2025. It's all just about short little videos. Make a decision. Yay, nay, you're on your way, Jose. Frito-Lay. And I love chips, especially the ones that are nacho flavored. Okay, so anyway, let me shrink up myself. Okay, do you see in the middle? I think you guys can see this card here. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, this is the link to my funnel system. It makes me a considerable amount of money every single month. Okay, this company's awesome. I like the ownership. I love the customer support. And I love what this funnel system can do. And that is take two of your businesses. And if you don't have any, good, because I'm going to recommend what I do because they make money every single day. Okay. So if you're looking for a business opportunity and you have $49, please look into this. Pleasewatchvideo.com. If you take two businesses that you have or the ones that I recommend, when people click, they're going to go to a web page and watch a video like you're going to do. And then if you have $49, you're going to join and you're going to put in a couple businesses that you currently promote or the ones that I recommend. And guess what? I want you to get a domain name like I did, pleasewatchvideo.com. And I want you to forward it to the capture page. And they have a whole bunch of them that are already pre-built. You just decide. I like palm trees and sun and tan. And, that's why I picked the palm tree capture page when you go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Watch the video. It's highly produced and entertaining. It's fun. You'll like it. And then from there, go through the back office, look around, and just realize that when you have the funnel all set up, you're going to have two businesses that are promoted. If people go ahead and put their name and email address in the funnel, this company, they provide 45 days of emails every day for you. People can opt out of them too, by the way. But isn't it nice to know if you don't have emails written and knowing how to do Aweber or GetResponse or Lead Leaps, there's all these auto-responding things out there. People get so confused, they take weeks trying to do emails and they don't even have a list yet. Well, don't worry. This funnel system, they've got customer support, customer service, credit card processing. They have a lead generating system. You can pick two opportunities. If not, I have two that I think might work mighty damn well. But just by promoting the funnel itself can put thousands of bucks in your pockets. Okay? Now, I can't guarantee that you're going to make a penny or a billion pennies. But I'll tell you what, if you don't mind doing what I recommend, copying, it seems to work right now. December 3rd of 2024. It's kicking ass. Okay? It's all simple stuff. This isn't high ticket things that cost thousands and thousands and you got to go max out your credit card or sell stuff. Okay? We do baby steps. $25 for business cards, $11 for domain, $49 to get the system going here, this funnel. If you want to join one or two of my opportunities, they're all based on like $50. Okay? Because most people have a couple $100 to get going, especially on a big business that can really churn and just make you really happy on the money you can make every day, every week, every month, every year. Okay? This is a legit funnel system. Okay? Pleasewatchvideo.com. Let the funnel do all your work. Just get a good business that everybody wants to join or buy from, and let the funnel kind of do all the heavy lifting for you. At the end of the day, when this funnel system is all set up, all you're going to do is what I do. Invite people to your own domain name. In my case, like I said, pleasewatchvideo.com. Guys, my funnel has been working. I've been #1 in the company to where they have contests, big screen TVs, $1,000 cash. I've got luggage. I've been, I think, number one in the company, and I just took first place again a couple days ago, 6 or 7 months out of the last 8. And it's all just by inviting people to watch a link and let people decide in the comfort of their own home, laying in bed or behind their steering wheel in their car, watching their cell phone, and just go, no, I'm not into that. Or you know what? I think I am. Bookmark it. And if you want to join, get out your credit card, make a decision. Or are you a cryptocurrency? Are you the cryptocurrency kid? Okay? Don't pass us up. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, 5 minutes. That's a short video for me. I usually do 10. Okay, so pleasewatchvideo.com. And like I said, I'm not shy. If you need something, get a hold of me, okay? I'm your boy. Have a good day. Peace and love. Well, got to get my hand. I always do this. It's always off camera. Sometimes I do this and it looks like I'm flipping off. I want to make sure both my fingers are like this. All right, guys. You take care. And I appreciate you watching my videos. All right. Adios, folks.